Hello and welcome back. I'm Lorraine with Wireman's Whimsy, and we are going to do project number 3 of the Hooray for Birthdays paper pumpkin kit. So this one, I need this easel fold card base. I need the oval mat. I need this little stem of flower, or that stem, and then I need these flowers. I have them upside down just so it's going to be quicker. The last video I went ahead and I did all my adhesive kind of stuff to start with off camera. So I am just going to go ahead this time and do them right on camera. I'm just going to go ahead and pop these down. These ones are asking for 2 on each of the large ones. Okay, and then just 1 in the center of each of the smaller ones. So here we go. I have done the adhesive on the, oh, I've got 1 too many flowers here. There we go. We're just going to pop that down into the middle there. Like that. And there we go. Okay, and this needs some tear and tape just again on that bottom half piece. So I'm just going to put a strip down like that and a strip down like this. Okay, and I need to do some stamping. So I need a couple of banners. And I have my stamps all lined up. Again, we're going to do the inside of the card with that grid. We're going to do 3 again. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3, like this. I was going to go just skip ahead and do this step, and then I decided no, because if somebody only watches this video, then they need to know how I put it together. So we've got our hugs and wishes here, and I'm just going to ink that down. There we go. So we've got our hugs and wishes, and then we've got our birthday wishes. Yes. And the reason I'm turning these sideways like this is just so that I can still line up with the reflection of the light. Okay, so we've got everything done that we need to do here. So the first thing I need to do is I need to take this piece and I need to adhere it down. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to line this up right in the middle and pop it down. I am just slightly crooked. Crumbs. Okay, let's see how easy it is to peel the tear and tape off, because I am just a little bit crooked. So I'm just going to take my bone folder and I'm going to work it under and see if I can just lift that carefully. So yeah, here you get to see how Lorraine fixes things if they go a little bit sideways. And if I can't fix it, I'll have to just give up on this card, but I'm hoping not to. And I am making dents in the paper, but I'm thinking that I can cover those up. Okay, I'm just going to put another little piece of tear and tape at the bottom here, just so it doesn't curl up when I put it back down again. So yes, watch Lorraine fix things on the fly. Okay, let's put this down, making sure I am indeed straight this time. There, that's better. Now, what I'm hoping is that the bends and the folds and that are all going to be covered up, so it's not going to really matter. I need to put dimensionals on the back of my greeting, so let's go ahead and do that. There we go. And like that. Okay, all right. let's see what we can get done here. Now, what is the first thing I need to do? The first thing I need to do is put down my set of leaves here. So I'm going to peel the backings of these off. And this goes down kind of a little bit off to the side, but not hugely off to the side. Okay, and we're going to pop that down like that. Now I need to take the happy out of here. And I had a thought after doing the last video. It was 30 degrees yesterday when this was put into my mailbox. So I'm wondering if the reason I'm having so much trouble getting the stickers off the backing is because they got too hot in the mailbox. So I'm hoping that you all aren't having the same struggles that I am. See, that happy came off fine. So I have no idea. I'm wondering if they just got too hot in the mailbox. So we're going to put this happy down here like this. This one came off easy peasy. The other ones were a huge challenge. So I'm just hoping that it was just the heat and that all of yours are going to be just fine. We have the metal community mailboxes, so they do get quite hot out there in the sun. So we're going to pop our birthday wishes down like that. And you really can't see any of the dents and dings where I had to fix my oops. Okay, so let's start putting flowers down. Let's flip all of these over now so you can see what they are. Okay. And I have to slide them off the edge of the table. There we go. Okay, so we need let's put the light blue one down. Actually, we need to put one of these down first, and it's this one. The reason I'm deciding is which is getting layered up where. So this one goes right here like this. And then this one goes next, and it goes like this. Okay, there we go. And then this one goes next. And again, I am just following the picture with what looks like got put down first based on what's underneath it. Okay, so this one's going to go up here like this. And then we're going to take this one. And this one's going to get popped out right there. And then this one kind of goes over top or underneath a little bit, over top of one and underneath another. So this one is actually going to just tuck under this one a little bit. There we go, like that. And then we take our little ones, our happy little flowers, and this one's going to pop down right here. And then this one goes up here, like this. And then this one goes right over top of everything, right here. Okay, so now the fun part, we get to put our middles in our flowers. So the large flowers have the large middles in them. So we're just going to see if we can pop these out. There we go. So there we go, that one and that one. Yes, our gardens here in Edmonton are going crazy because we had a whole almost 5 weeks of rain, and then the sun came out, and it has been hot, hot, hot this week. So the gardens are just crazy. The mosquitoes are crazy too, but the gardens have just gone, like, they're overgrown, and our hedge is overgrown. So today I'm doing these early in the morning so that we can get out and get cleaning up that garden before it gets too hot outside. So we're not complaining about the heat because it's better than the rain. Okay, I don't know where that one went. There we go. That one doesn't have any sticky on the back. Okay, so let's peel another one up. See, I start talking and I lose the thread. So, okay, we need little ones for these 3 little flowers. So we're going to pop that down like that. Okay, and this one goes on here like that. And then our third one, and then we're kind of done. I think I understand why there's no bling for these ones, but can you imagine the in-color little butterflies or the brass butterflies just tagged on these? Amazing. So I just need to put the middle in on this one, and I've managed to get another backing in there. So let's just, here we go. And the birthday or the hugs and wishes goes right in the middle like this. And then we fold over our card front. And there is our easel card, our project number 3. So thank you so much for watching and your patience while I muddled through this one. And stay tuned. I've got the first alternate coming up next, and then one alternate every day.